Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to delete Temu account on phone. So to delete Temu account on phone, first thing you need to do is open up your Temu account, and once you are here, in the middle you will see a profile over there, and it has the word you. Click on the you. As you can see, you are here. Next thing you want to do is go to settings on the top right side corner, as you can see. Click on that. And once you are here in the settings, click on account security. After clicking your account security, on the bottom you will see delete your Temu account. Click on that. After clicking on that, read everything right here. Then after reading those, you may check it and continue. After that, click on yes, I want to delete my account. And then after that, click the reason of your deletion. But for me, I will just click on I don't want to provide a reason. Then after that, you need to verify it. So we're gonna verify it. So I'll use our Google. There you go. Successfully requested. You've received a request to permanently delete your account. You'll be automatically signed out of your account and it will be deleted in 7 business days. If you wish to cancel the request, you may sign in to cancel the request and keep your account. So there you go, and then confirm. After that, your account has been deleted. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.